I'm going to demonstrate how to expand your IP range in your subnet. So first, we're going to create a new VPC. We're going to create a custom subnet. Then we're going to expand the number of IP addresses that we have. So by default, you'll notice most of your subnets that are created automatically use a /20 as a CIDR block. And a /20 gives us 4,096 IP addresses. 4,092 are usable in the Google Cloud Platform because they reserve 4. So in our demonstration, we're going to create a subnet that uses a /24, which gives us 256 IPs, of which 252 are usable. Once we create that subnet, we'll expand the IP range of a /24 into a /20. So we'll go from 252 usable IP addresses to 4,092 usable IP addresses. So the first thing I want to do is come up and activate the Cloud Shell. So let's click Activate Cloud Shell. Let's come into our shell and let's create our network with our subnet. So I already have my default project set. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a VPC. So I'm going to say gcloud, compute, networks, create, Richard demo VPC. You can call yours whatever you wish. Subnet mode custom. Go ahead and hit enter, and it creates that VPC with a subnet mode of custom, and then we can go ahead and manually create our subnets once the VPC has been created. Now you can see that it has been created successfully. I have the name of my VPC. I have my subnet mode. Let's go ahead now and manually create a subnet. So I'm going to type gcloud, compute, networks, subnets, create, Richard-subnet. I have to specify the network, so I'm going to specify the network I just created, Richard demo VPC, and I have to give it a range. So I'm going to say 10.240.0.0/24. I go ahead and hit enter. It's asking me, did I mean the US 1 region? I do. I click yes. You could specify that region in your command as well, or you could set your default region in your command line shell. Once this gets finished, we should have our subnet created inside of our new custom VPC.